And then with my Ulta card, I told you that I wanted to get the Lip Lingerie Lipsticks. So these are called NYX Lingerie Push-Up Lipsticks. And of course I got the 2 plum ones and I got the gray one, but this is really light. Like a nude, it's a toffee nude, but it's like a very, very light nude on me. They do tend to dry a little darker. What I didn't like about it though is it made my lips tingle, and I'm like, I thought the push-up meant that. I thought that's what it meant by push-up. Are they talking about pushing up your lips or something, making them bigger? Personally, I do not like those. I will not get lip plumpers. I got it once and my whole mouth was on fire. I will not use a lip plumper. So this was a little tingly, so I really wasn't crazy about that. So yeah, that's what I got with my Ulta when they gave me the $20 gift card. I think these were like $6 or $7 each. So I only had to like pay a little bit. Today, I think I'm also going to pass my Ulta because I think I'm going to get another nail polish set since mine, you know, was busted. I don't know if those nail polishes are even going to work, but anyway, so yeah, so that's what I got, and it came with a little, a free bag that says Ulta and NYX on it, so yeah. So yeah, and I put my, and my snow melts in here too. So yeah, so next week I'll do another Pac-Man, and then hopefully on to my Physicians Formula. Okay, so anyway, all right, I love you all. See you next week. Mwah.